Imagine a world without volcanoes. No more fiery eruptions lighting up the night sky. No more molten rivers of lava carving their way through the landscape. No more glowing lava flows illuminating the darkness. No more mountains being born from the depths of the earth. No more ash plumes reaching for the sky, painting the horizon with their dramatic, smoky tendrils. Should we, silence these fiery giants forever? What would be the consequences of such an action? The answer, like the Earth itself, is far more complex than it seems. Volcanoes are not just destructive forces, they are also creators. Volcanoes are often seen as destructive forces, capable of wiping out entire cities and altering climates. They inspire awe and fear in equal measure, drawing tourists and scientists alike to witness their raw power. But their role in our planet's story is far more nuanced. They enrich the soil, creating fertile lands that support diverse ecosystems. What if we could flip a switch and turn off all volcanic activity? Would it be a utopia of calm and stability, or a world deprived of essential processes? What would happen to our planet? The absence of volcanoes would mean a significant change in the Earth's geological and atmospheric dynamics. The answer lies in understanding the profound and often invisible ways volcanoes shape our world. They release gases that contribute to the atmosphere and play a role in the carbon cycle. From the air we breathe to the ground we walk on, volcanoes have a hand in creating and sustaining life. Our planet bears the indelible mark of volcanic activity. The rocks, the soil, and even the water we drink have been influenced by volcanic processes. To imagine a world without volcanoes is to imagine a world vastly different from our own. It is to envision a planet without the dynamic forces that have shaped its surface and atmosphere. It is to ask not only what our planet would look like without them, but also how life itself would have evolved in their absence. Could life have emerged without their fiery influence? The heat and minerals provided by volcanic activity may have been crucial in the early development of life on Earth. Volcanoes are not just a source of destruction, they are a source of life and renewal. They remind us of the delicate balance that sustains our world. Volcanoes are, quite literally, the architects of our planet. These natural wonders have been shaping the Earth for billions of years, playing a crucial role in the formation and evolution of our world. They are responsible for building continents, creating islands, and forming the very foundation of the land we live on. The process of volcanic activity is both destructive and creative, tearing down old landscapes and giving birth to new ones. The mountains and valleys we see today are often the result of ancient volcanic activity. These landscapes tell the story of Earth's fiery past, where molten rock from the planet's interior burst forth to create new terrain. The Hawaiian Islands, a chain of volcanic peaks rising from the Pacific Ocean, are a testament to this constructive power. Each island in the chain was formed by volcanic eruptions, with lava flowing and cooling to create solid land. Over millions of years, volcanic eruptions have poured out lava that cooled and solidified layer upon layer, building these islands from the ocean floor. This process is a slow but relentless force, constantly adding new material to the Earth's surface. The same process has shaped countless other landmasses throughout Earth's history. From the towering peaks of the Andes to the vast plains of the American Midwest, volcanic activity has left its mark on every continent. Volcanic activity is not just a thing of the past, it continues to shape our planet today. Active volcanoes around the world remind us of the dynamic nature of our planet, with eruptions that can alter landscapes in an instant. New land is being born even as we speak, pushing up from the ocean depths through volcanic eruptions. Underwater volcanoes are constantly at work, creating new islands and expanding existing ones. Without volcanoes, our planet would be a vastly different place, its surface locked in a primordial state. The barren, rocky landscapes of early Earth would have remained unchanged, devoid of the rich diversity of life we see today. The continents as we know them, the islands that dot our oceans, even the very air we breathe, owe their existence to these fiery giants. Volcanoes have not only shaped the physical world, but have also influenced the development of life, creating habitats and releasing gases that formed our atmosphere. The fertile soils created by volcanic ash have supported lush ecosystems, allowing plants and animals to thrive. In many ways, volcanoes are the lifeblood of our planet, driving the cycles of destruction and creation that make Earth a living, breathing world. Volcanoes played a crucial role in shaping the Earth's early atmosphere. They released gases trapped within the Earth's interior, including water vapor, carbon dioxide, and nitrogen. These gases formed the basis of our atmosphere, paving the way for life as we know it. Even today, volcanoes continue to release gases into the atmosphere, contributing to the delicate balance that makes life possible. While we often focus on the destructive power of volcanic eruptions, their contribution to our atmosphere is a reminder of their vital role in Earth's systems. Without volcanoes, the air we breathe, the very breath that sustains us, would be drastically different. It's a humbling thought that something as seemingly destructive as a volcano could be so fundamental to our existence. Volcanoes may seem inhospitable, but they played a crucial role in the emergence of life on Earth. The heat from volcanic vents, combined with the chemicals they release, creates an environment where life can thrive, even in the depths of the ocean. These hydrothermal vents, as they are known, support unique ecosystems teeming with life. Strange and wonderful creatures, from giant tube worms to blind shrimp, thrive in these extreme environments, fueled by the chemicals spewing from the Earth's interior. These volcanic oases offer a glimpse into the early days of life on Earth, where life may have first taken hold in the warm, chemically rich waters surrounding volcanic vents. Volcanoes, often associated with destruction, may have been the cradles of life on our planet. Section 5. The Ring of Fire's Silent Fury. The Ring of Fire, a zone of intense volcanic and seismic activity encircling the Pacific Ocean, is a testament to the Earth's restless nature. It's a region where the Earth's tectonic plates collide, generating immense forces that trigger earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. This geological dance is responsible for some of the most powerful volcanic eruptions in human history, shaping landscapes and impacting civilizations. The Ring of Fire is a stark reminder of the immense power that lies beneath our feet. What would happen if this fiery ring were silenced? While it might seem like a relief to quiet these volatile regions, the consequences could be far-reaching and unpredictable. Section 6. A world locked in stone. Volcanoes play a crucial role in the rock cycle, a continuous process of creation, destruction, and renewal that shapes the Earth's crust. Volcanic eruptions bring molten rock, or magma, to the surface where it cools and solidifies into igneous rocks. These igneous rocks, in turn, are weathered and eroded over time, their broken down fragments forming the basis of sedimentary rocks. The rock cycle is a fundamental process that shapes the Earth's surface and provides the building blocks for continents and mountains. Without volcanoes, the rock cycle would grind to a halt. The Earth's crust would become static, locked in its current form, with no new igneous rocks to fuel the cycle of creation and renewal. Section 7. Starvation on a global scale. Volcanic ash, while initially destructive, provides essential nutrients to surrounding soils. The ash, rich in minerals, acts as a natural fertilizer, enriching the land and promoting plant growth. This volcanic bounty has sustained civilizations for centuries, enabling fertile lands to flourish even in the shadow of volcanic peaks. The relationship between volcanoes and agriculture highlights the interconnectedness of Earth's systems. Without volcanic ash to replenish these vital nutrients, soils would become depleted, leading to decreased agricultural yields and potentially widespread famine. The silencing of volcanoes could have devastating consequences for food security worldwide. Section 8. The atmosphere's delicate balance. Volcanic eruptions release gases into the atmosphere, including carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas. Greenhouse gases trap heat, contributing to the Earth's natural greenhouse effect, which keeps our planet habitable. While excessive greenhouse gas emissions from human activities are a concern, volcanoes play a role in regulating Earth's temperature over geological timescales. The interplay of volcanic activity and atmospheric composition is a complex dance that has shaped Earth's climate for millennia. Halting volcanic activity could disrupt this delicate balance, potentially leading to unpredictable and potentially catastrophic changes in Earth's climate system. Section 9. A chilling silence. The silencing of volcanoes could have a cooling effect on the Earth's climate. While volcanic eruptions release greenhouse gases, they also eject massive amounts of ash and sulfur dioxide into the atmosphere. These particles reflect sunlight back into space, having a cooling effect that counteracts the warming influence of greenhouse gases. This volcanic dimming effect has been observed following major eruptions, demonstrating the interconnectedness of Earth's systems. Without volcanic eruptions to inject these reflective particles into the atmosphere, the Earth's climate could experience a net warming effect, potentially accelerating the pace of climate change. Section 10. Embracing the Earth's fiery heart. The idea of silencing volcanoes might seem appealing, a way to prevent catastrophic eruptions and protect human lives. However, as we've seen, the consequences of such an action would be far-reaching and potentially disastrous. Volcanoes are not just destructive forces, they are integral parts of a complex and interconnected planetary system. They are Earth's fiery architects, shaping the land, influencing the atmosphere, and even playing a role in the emergence of life. Instead of seeking to control or eliminate volcanoes, perhaps we should embrace them as a reminder of the Earth's raw power and our place within its grand, ever-evolving story. Section 11. A balancing act for the future. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of our planet, one thing remains clear. Earth is a dynamic, ever-changing system, and volcanoes are an integral part of that system. Their power demands our respect, not our fear. The challenge lies not in controlling or eliminating volcanoes, but in understanding them better. These fiery giants have shaped our landscapes for millions of years, creating fertile soils and forming new landmasses. By studying their behavior, we can learn to live in greater harmony with these powerful forces, predicting eruptions and minimizing their impact on human life. This knowledge allows us to develop early warning systems and evacuation plans, mitigating their risks while appreciating their vital role in shaping our world. The future depends on finding a balance between respecting the Earth's natural processes and protecting ourselves from their potential hazards. It's a delicate dance, one that requires both scientific understanding and a deep appreciation for the planet we call home. Communities living near volcanoes must be educated and prepared, knowing the signs of an impending eruption and how to respond swiftly. This collaboration between scientists and local populations is crucial. Together we can ensure that the awe-inspiring power of volcanoes is respected and harnessed for the benefit of all. As we look to the future, let us embrace this balancing act with wisdom and reverence, ensuring a safer and more harmonious coexistence with the natural world.